It's a beautiful day outside. Birds are singing, flowers are blooming. On days like these, kids like you should be burning in hell. Turn around, kid, it'd be a crime if I had to go back on the promise that I made for you. So don't step over that line, or else when you're gonna have a bad time. Because like you don't play by the rules. Fools like me, it ain't new to be playing for fools. So let's go, let the room get chiller. Let's go, dirty brother killer. Go ahead and try to hit me if you're able. Guess you figured out that mercy's off the table. I can't tell you're getting really sick of trying, but I think you're just mad you keep dying. You're not gonna win, we'll be here together, fighting in this judgment hall forever. I know you'll just reset each time I beat ya, but I'll always be right back here to meet ya. I know you're mad. This is where it starts, this is where it ends. If you want to get past me, well, you better try again. But even though I stole you, you don't give up your attack. Do you just like the feeling of your sins crawling on your back? Go ahead and try to hit me if you're able. You should know by now that mercy's off the table. Think that you can try to spare me like I'm some pawn. Well, you didn't spare my brother, so get dunked on. I know you made my friends all disappear, but everything they care about is why I'm here. I am their mercy, I am their vengeance, I am determination. I know you're made but I think I'm stronger than you.